Now we will talk about the copy command, guys. As you guys know that you can take the, let me delete all this, guys, just for our explanation. Sometimes you wanted to make a backup of the copy file, right click, copy and paste. So now we are creating the backup of this file, but if I want to do it from the command prompt itself, how I can do that, guys? Cd space, first I need to go into that folder. As I can see here is on the desktop, cd space ship. Now copy hi.txt, it's a source file, and destination, what is the name you want to create for that? Let's say hello. Now the same file will be created, one more with one more copy. Now in the hi, testing is there, in the hello also it should be testing only, the same file is created. How you can create the copy of a file in another way, guys? Simply you can, whenever you want to go to this particular folder, what I said, you can also go like this here. Instead of going to this inside this folder, I can now cd dot dot cd dot dot. Now I'm in Uday folder, but from here only I want to execute the command. So you can also do like this from now on. For all the commands, guys, for all the previous commands also you can do it, but I didn't tell you there because you might be confused with many commands. Now you know that if you want to execute any command on a particular file and folder, you always need to go to that folder. Now from a different folder, you just have to give the complete path, that's it, slash hi.txt. Now destination, where you want to create that particular file, edit, copy. Now the destination is inside this folder only. Now, or else if I give a still desktop, now you guys tell me, guys, what happens. Now in this folder, in the ship folder, there is a file called hi.txt is there, that is copied into a desktop actually. So you can also copy to a different folder too, from one folder to other folder without going there. Can you come here in the desktop and see, guys? Help file, that's it. So whenever you come across any source and destination, you can give any source and any destination here. It's not necessary that both should be in the same folders or something like that. You can experiment, there is no wrong. Like if I give something like this, it will say 0 files copied because there is no particular file folder with desktop D. It's a typo error, it should be desktop line. Now what happens if I try to copy same file again? It will say as overwrite yes or no. It's a good thing, guys, because if you mistakenly try to give some name, so it might overwrite your some precious old file, important old file. So always remember. But we can, if you don't want to see this option like yes or no options, as I said before, slash q was for that command, slash y is for yes, like no, you are bypassing yes or no for this. Remove directory we used rmdir slash q, right? But for copy you need to use slash y. You can learn this by just all the attributes. We call this as an attribute to a command by passing copy /question mark.